crochet lovers, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we'll see the detailed information about amigurumi. Before that, if you think I'm explaining very slowly, you can increase the speed of the video in the setting. Come, let's start our video. Amigurumi. The pronunciation of amigurumi will be amigurumi. Amigurumi. Ami indicates for crochet or knitting. Amigurumi indicate for small or stuffed toys. The stuffed toys made with the crochet or knitting is called amigurumi. Origin of amigurumi was not been identified, but there is one statement it could be in China because in ancient time they used to give stuffed toys as a gift. Only the 5 basic stitches you want to know to make amigurumi: magical ring, single crochet, then how to increase the stitches and how to decrease the stitches, and finally fasten off. Now we'll see what all kind of yarn we use to make amigurumi. First one is cotton yarn and acrylic yarn, and some people used to make amigurumi with the velvet yarn too. It will look very pretty, and milk cotton yarn. Basically in crochet we use 2 kind of stitches: yarn over V stitch, yarn under X stitch. But in amigurumi we particularly use yarn under X stitch. The stitches will look like a X shape. In next video we'll see the difference between yarn over and yarn under, why particularly in amigurumi we use yarn under stitch. And finally, after completing this, we use polyester fiber filling to fill this amigurumi. That's all friends. It's the basic information about amigurumi. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and share this video with your friends and family and crochet lovers. Any kind of doubt, please comment down below. Thank you for watching.